I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by confirming the recovery contact, email or phone, so resets land where you can reach them. Once done, sign in with your current password and navigate to Settings, then Security or Password. Make sure two-factor prompts are nearby. You may need a code. You do this because verifying contact and device reduces lockout risk. Finally, locate the password or change password option and click it so you can enter the old and new passwords on a single screen without delay. Now focus on creating a secure replacement. Type your current password, then enter the new one twice to confirm. Use at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols because length and variety slow attackers. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. That prevents chain breaches. If prompted, enable a password strength indicator and update stored entries in your password manager so autofill continues to work. Once you press Save or Change, expect a confirmation message and possibly a sign-out from other devices. After saving, confirm the change through the email or notification the service sends. This proves ownership and completes the process. Make sure to update saved passwords on all your devices and any apps that use the account so logins remain seamless. If you can't sign back in, use the recovery link or codes you previously saved and try two-factor authentication backup methods. If those fail, contact account support with ownership proof. That final step resolves edge case lockouts, but may take verification time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.